Oh no. I intend to bring to life the concept of me, TSG, as a no. Oh no, I literally just said A. Damn. The concept of me crossed over with the superhero who dresses in the red suit with horns. That's where I was going to go with it, but obviously I didn't get there, so...
Okay. I'm a good work guy.
You're fired.
But I didn't say...
You win.
So I have been fired. I went down the trapdoor. I can't believe I lost by just saying the letter A. That's ridiculous. But I didn't say A. Fail, exactly. I need to keep catching up with the bot, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling now. But thank you, Darcy, for the letter ban. Lovely, you've unofficially decided that Gartic Phone is going to become a thing. Hell yeah, but here's the thing, Lovely. You need a drink when we play it, because that's what was making it so much fun, I reckon. That was the real appeal there. Ewoki, to answer your question, I am this far behind on the chat. I have a while before I reach the bot, for sure. You'll teach me everything about Procreate. All the tips and tricks. Let's go, Darcy. I've also considered doing a drawing stream. I tried doing one when I first added the drawing channel point thing. No one seemed to care though. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, but then like at the same time, like Simon has grown so fast. He's already at 1,000 followers, I think. And he's only been streaming a couple of months, and he streams in the art category all the time. So it's like, there is an audience, you know, and Ordeco is growing super fast as well. But I think the problem is, for me at least, there's an audience for people who are good at it, and I'm gonna be like middling at best. Bye, Corn, except he's not leaving for another 50 minutes. I'm considering making myself a new hot chocolate, but I also don't want to get up. Interesting predicament you've got there. Sassy, I hope you did enjoy your...
Hello?
Thank you, Corn, for the hello, by the way. I hope you did enjoy your impression. Sorry it was a bit short. You need to tell me more about yourself so that I've got more to say. What's with all these redemptions to make you no longer... Ah, that's what it is. Well, we are finally finished as well. You just remembered I redeemed to add a meme but forgot to redeem one. Yeah, you gotta get on that, Lone. You gotta actually add something. You gotta request something. I nearly, damn. I gotta really think about it. Face ID, Apple ID, and Apple Pay are now ready to be set up in the settings. That's fine. Not now though. Yeah, it wasn't actually for E, Deha, but thank you. Hi, Deha, by the way. The meme is not always relevant. Can we get some? Can we get some A's in chat, guys? I'd like to buy an A, please. Yeah, don't show us the passcode. I know, I'm so stupid. I nearly did though. I nearly did.
Hello?
Thank you, Deha, for saying hello as well. That was such a good job though. Like, even though you officially lost it, you still did so well to finish. I got there eventually. It's just, yeah, it was a failed case though. Don't make Lovely into an alcoholic for your entertainment. No, I absolutely will be. And we got to do it to justify that emote. Exactly. I'm now 7 minutes behind. Amazing. Ping me when you decide to make an art stream. I ping everybody, Deha. What do you mean? I literally ping everyone, every stream. I can have wine and not have a whole bottle of wine. Exactly. That's what it's gonna have to take. I did catch up fast, Corn. I'm here now. I'm here with you.
Ooh, he card reads good.
Because he caught you up fast. We're down to like 2 minutes now. Well, I'm here now. Hello. It's time to actually build. I have touched your butt. That's really a lovely thing. The whole like touch the butt thing, like lovely is literally the toucher of butts, you know? It's really a lovely thing. Also, I brought out Lynchy before, and once it's sort of random. Like sometimes it like actually does this command, but sometimes usually it doesn't. And I admit I forgot last time. So if you met Lynchy earlier and you're like, gee, Lynchy sure is amazing and majestic and beautiful and incredible, and I just want to stare into his eyes. I wonder where he came from. Well, I've got the answer for you. It's in the chat. It was made by Lovely. He was made by Lovely, and you should go follow Lovely and then commission her to make your very own long furb. I've been streaming for 3 hours and 13 minutes, and we are only now, finally getting to work on this thing. Guys, I'll level with you. It might end up being just this bag tonight. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we go. There's another stream tomorrow at least. You know, if we don't finish it tonight, we can at least finish it tomorrow. And then if it's only 2 bags left tomorrow, then we'll be able to like build something else as well. So, you know, it wouldn't be so bad. It wouldn't be so bad. Only just building 3 hours in. I don't think that's a record, but it must be close to it. So many pieces in this step. I am not prepared. How's our battery looking? 71%. We're still good. Hey, Fabacy is back and freshly marinating. We'd love to see it, as always. I put that in the wrong spot, as always. Oh, wait, I didn't actually know you live in Hawaii. I've been at the same job for 10 years. I sell electronics. Oh, I should have said that you could sell me an iPad. Because I did just learn that about you before. Huge fan of Lego and build pretty quickly. Unlike some people, have way too many Lego sets. Can't draw, but I love coloring. Have a weakness for spending money. I'm a huge gamer girl. They're a short autobiography. I basically, now know everything about you. Now I just need your mother's maiden name, the name of your first pet and the street on which you grew up, the name of your first employer, and just for good measure, I'll get the digits across the front of your credit card, the expiry date, and also the 3 numbers on the back as well. If I could just get all that info, I'd be real happy. Then I'll be able to do a proper impression of you. She stacks Lego cups better than you, Lone. I didn't know that was possible. I don't know why I said that, because I actually don't know anything about how well you stack Lego cups. Sassy, could you make a video tutorial for someone that's never been to... Did I do something wrong? There's someone that's never done pick a brick before. I want to know how to do pick a brick well at your level. I do. Your social security number would be really good as well. Yes. Yeah. Can we get a tutorial video for people that don't know how to stack cups at the pick a brick wall? So that if we ever come out of lockdown, I can go to the Lego store and do it like a pro. Yeah, do that. That'd be amazing. Slodicus, hello. I'm more a square guy than a Lego man, but yeah, I'll allow it. Yeah, for people who don't know how to stack cups good, exactly. You heard me. Did I stutter? Did I stutter? Not all Lego is square. I mean, look at this.